It's very small, it's easy to miss, so the entrance is here. So you park here and then you follow the road on that way. When you go that way, you're gonna see, you're gonna have to cross a bridge above the water. Amazing place. You can relax there and then you can walk in the nature for a while. There's a little lake, if you take a little path in the forest, call it like the Wish Lake. It's very nice looking, it's like fairy tale, so you won't regret it.